don't understand. See, now you're cute, but like, let's dominate Frank. Let's destroy Frank. Got it. Darn it.
Can't imagine why.
What are you gonna do to Frank?
Destroy him. Let's destroy him. Hey, let's destroy Frank. Let's destroy Frank.
We need to get that Tracy brought over here. I want to see what happens.
Stop, Bob. Oh my God.
Why'd you tell me to stop before that part?
It's a valid question.
I honestly didn't think you
The
telling
tough
the
part-
dog you're pretty
the tough part
meant
is
you were
about
gonna
this
make
is
out with
turning it into a
her.
history will be made video.
You ready?
Just the slow motion making out with the dog.
Just do it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
There's really no alcohol in this house.
No. There's one cheese
Oh, let's
slice.
play.
How
Let's play.
sad.
And half an onion.
It's like really nicely put together too.
I know.
Oh, let's
You'd
play.
think they'd have good